Sweet and deadly is your barbecue sauce destroying your health? It's the weekend. And what do we do on the weekend? I don't know about you, but I love to barbecue. So I grabbed a jar of my favorite barbecue sauce, and my girlfriend said to me, "Why are you using that? That stuff is poison." The next thing I knew is I looked over and looked at the label. I usually look at labels. For some reason, I've been using this sauce for years, did not look at the label. First ingredient was high fructose corn syrup. It listed sugar 6 different times. It listed it as high fructose corn syrup, sugar, brown sugar, molasses, corn syrup, more sugar. I couldn't believe how many times sugar was mentioned in the label, not to mention added preservatives. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to make homemade barbecue sauce. Making this for the first time, then I'm going to take it out and put it on the chicken that I'm going to be grilling. So keep watching and cook with me. Here we go. Let me go over the ingredients and what we're going to use today. We have a can of tomato sauce, tomato paste, apple cider vinegar, honey, molasses, Worcestershire sauce, I can never say that, chipotle powder, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and some salt and black pepper. That's what's going into the recipe today. And I know what you just are thinking, wait a minute, did he say honey? Did he say molasses? Aren't those sugars? Big difference between table sugar, which has no minerals, no enzymes, actually steals energy from your body, as compared to honey and molasses. Honey contains antioxidants, amino acids, enzymes, other compounds that might have health benefits. For instance, it might have some anti-inflammatory effects. It's an antibacterial, anti-diabetic. It's good for your digestive tract. It also can lower cardiovascular disease and helps to support your nerve system. Well, what about molasses? Molasses is also a sweetener, but it contains vitamins, minerals, including iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, vitamin B6. It also is a good source of antioxidants, selenium, and copper. So yes, we're using honey, we're using molasses, but it actually has health benefits where table sugar, 0 benefits. It's very interesting because when I looked up to search on the ingredients that we were using, it came up in the search, how many grams of sugar can you eat in a day? What? That's almost like saying it's okay to eat sugar. Well, how much sugar should you consume in a day? The answer is 0, none, nada, nothing. But they're telling you, oh, it's okay to consume some sugar in a day. Well, the average adult consumes 60 pounds of sugar a year. And that can lead to heart disease, diabetes. It suppresses your immune system. It causes inflammation where you might have aches and pains in your joints, in your back. So there's so many bad things about sugar, but they're almost making you believe it's okay to eat. Anyway, we talked about sugar, we talked about honey, we talked about molasses. Let's get cooking. I saw on a YouTube channel that if you put a little olive oil in the cup and you have something sticky like honey or molasses, it will come out easier. Let's see. The answer is it actually comes out a lot easier. So that's a good tip. I'm putting all the ingredients in the saucepan. No need to bore you as you watch me add one ingredient after the next. This recipe comes from Danny's YouTube website called Clean and Delicious. Check out her website. She's got great healthy recipes there. So this is coming to a boil and it is starting to thicken up and it's getting a really nice rich color. Also going to list in the description, I have a quiz to see if you're a sugar addict. And here's the quiz. I'll put that down in the description. If you answer false to 4 or more of these questions, then you probably have a sugar sensitivity, which can cause health issues. Either they're causing health issues right now, or they can be causing health issues somewhere down the road in the future. So you might want to take a look at that. You can contact me as to how I handle that with my patients. So let's keep cooking. Barbecue sauce has come to a slow boil. We now have it turned down to simmer. It has to simmer for 20 minutes, but I can't wait to taste this. So let's give it a quick taste test. That is really good. There's a little bit of a sour kick, touch of sweetness. There's some heat from the chipotle and the other ingredients that we put in there. But that is really, really good. You're going to enjoy it. We're going to go outside and cook this on top of the chicken that I'm cooking. So keep watching. I seasoned the chicken with a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Now we got it on the grill. We're going to start cooking. The chicken's looking good. It's nicely caramelized. Now let's sauce these babies up. I brushed the barbecue sauce on each side of the chicken twice, turning them each time. They look absolutely amazing. Now it's time to taste. Chicken's nice and moist. This recipe's a keeper. I doubled the recipe, so if I want to put more barbecue sauce on, I can. But absolutely delicious. Does not have all the sugars, all the preservatives that the other barbecue sauce had, or that the other barbecue sauces that you're going to look at in the supermarket have. Sometimes these sauces say natural flavor. Well, in order to say natural flavor, it means that there is natural flavor in there, but they also add chemicals for flavoring. So just because it says natural flavor doesn't mean that it's all natural. So check out the link where I got this recipe so you can follow that YouTube channel, make some more recipes that are very healthy. Watching for more tips and strategies on how to stay healthy. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it does help the channel to grow. And I will see you next time. Stay healthy, everybody.